To make a custom ringtone on the S24 Ultra, the first step is we're going to open our Contacts app. And in here, you're going to select the contact you want the custom ringtone for. Now, we're going to first check the edit option here. And if we go to view more, if you're on the older operating system, there'll be a ringtone option and then tap it. But as we are on the newer operating system, we need to tap the more button and then we see this one, change ringtone/vibration. So once we're in this, we're going to change the ringtone and we're going to allow any permission. So we have the default ringtone and we have these other ringtones we can select, which will only select for the contact we've selected. But we want to maybe select a custom ringtone. So let's tap the plus here. And so all of your songs that are saved to your phone will show up here. You can just tap it to select it. And you can go to albums and go through there. If your ringtone was installed from the web, just go into folders and just go through and see where your audio files are. If you downloaded audio from the web, make sure it's in this directory here or this one, otherwise it won't show up. So once we have our custom ringtone, choose this one, we'll tap on done and we'll select that ringtone, and when we are called, we'll get that. To change the ringtone in general, so not just for specific contacts, you're going to open your settings and you're just going to head to the sound and vibration settings. So scroll down and here it is. And in ringtone, we have a similar menu and you can just tap the plus to import your ringtone and that will apply for all contacts. But the early instructions were for just one contact so you know who's calling you.